Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set up fingerprint on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to set up your fingerprint on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is go ahead and click on settings. Now, on your settings, scroll down, locate and click on lock screen and AOD. Then under lock screen and AOD, you should see screen lock and biometrics. Click on that. Now, you have options to set PIN, password pattern, swipe. At the same time, register your fix and then fingerprint. Now, to set up fingerprint in your Samsung phone, just go ahead and click on fingerprint. Then it should say set secure screen lock for. So you need to either set PIN and use it alongside with your fingerprint or password combined with fingerprint. So in this case, let's use PIN. You can set your PIN up to 6 digits, and you can also use 4-digit PIN. Mark you, setting a new PIN will erase the existing PIN. So if you want to show your information on lock screen, select the option, and in this case I want to go without the information on lock screen, then click on done. Now the next thing you want to do is go ahead and set your fingerprint. To do that again, click on screen lock and biometrics and type in the new PIN or password you set. Click on fingerprint, click on continue, click on register. Now place your fingerprint on your phone either by side or on screen. This depends on your Samsung phone. So in this case, I have an on-screen fingerprint Samsung device. So if you have your fingerprint by side, then quickly go ahead and replicate what I am doing here to set up the fingerprint on your Samsung phone. So this is going to take a couple of seconds, and make sure you registered all sides of your fingerprint, and at the same time you can register multiple fingers. So once you're done, click on done, and then you are good. You can add additional fingerprints, as you can see here. Now to confirm whether your fingerprint is working or not, just go ahead and press the start button to enable screen lock and then confirm your fingerprint, and that's it. So that's exactly how to set up fingerprint on Samsung phone. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.